Hello, welcome to the video lecture number 4, class 4, electronic devices, unit number 4, special semiconductor devices. Today's class we are going to see the special semiconductor devices based on metal semiconductor junction devices. First one is MESFET. A MESFET, metal semiconductor field effect transistor, is a field effect transistor semiconductor device similar to a JFET with a Schottky metal semiconductor junction instead of a PN junctions for a gate. Here the figure shows a simplified structure of the MESFET, and from the figure it is clear that how the structure of MESFET looks like. Metal to metal contact, metal to semiconductor contact, source metal contact, and source metal semiconductor contact. This is the source terminal, this is the drain terminal, this one is the gate terminal, and this one is the substrate terminal. Metal semiconductor junction devices, MESFET. The symbol of MESFET shown in figure: P-channel MESFET, depletion MESFET, and enhancement MESFET. Depletion MESFET gate is slightly thicker than compared to the enhancement MESFET, because depletion MESFET is normally on and its threshold voltage is negative. The enhancement MESFET is normally off and its threshold voltage is also positive. The threshold voltage is determined by the channel thickness, that is the N channel or P channel thickness, and concentration density of the implanted impurity, the amount of impurity added to the transistor. FET manufacturing, during FET manufacturing. This one is the MESFET structure. This one is source, and this one is drain terminal, and this one is gate terminal. In between gate and N channel, a metal contact is the Schottky barrier gate. Metal contact between gate and the N channel. That is the difference between MESFET and MOSFET. The MESFET has a thin N-type active region which is used to join the two ohmic contacts. A thin metal Schottky barrier gate is used to separate the highly doped drain and source terminals. Here, what is the difference between MESFET and MOSFET? As already told you, gallium MOSFET MESFETs are similar to silicon MOSFETs. That is, ordinary MOSFETs are manufactured by silicon. MESFETs are manufactured by using gallium arsenide. The major difference is the presence of a Schottky diode at the gate region, which separates the two thin N-type active region, that is the source and drain, connected by ohmic contacts. It should be noted that both depletion type and enhancement type MESFETs, that is on and off devices, operate by the depletion of an existing doped channel. That is, both the depletion type and the enhancement type of MESFETs are operated by the same principle, whereas in the MOSFET, enhancement MOSFET has invert region, whereas depletion MOSFET has a slightly dope in order to shift the threshold to normally on condition. What are the applications of MESFET? The MESFET is a high performance form of field effect transistor used in low noise signal amplifier, high power RF circuits, microwave applications, RF and microwave applications. Second one, FinFET, metal semiconductor junction devices. We are going to see the second device, FinFET. The figure shows the symbol of a P channel FinFET and the N channel FinFET. This one is forward gate and this one is back gate. FinFET has two gates. What is a FinFET? A fin field effect transistor is a multi-gate device or multiple gate field effect transistor. Refers to a MOSFET which incorporates more than one gate into a single device. Ordinary MOSFET or FinFET more or less same, but FinFET has had some slightly modification, more than two gates. The multiple gates may be more than one gate, maybe 2, 3, 4, etc. But ordinary MOSFET or dual MOSFET has one gate, dual MOSFET has two gates. FinFET has more than one gate, 2, 3, etc. More or less similar to dual gate MOSFET. The multiple gates may be controlled by a single gate electrode, wherein the multiple gate surfaces act electrically as a single gate or by an independent gate electrodes. This one is the structure of the FinFET. The gates are like fins, bird fins like structure, source and drain, What are the applications of FinFET? FinFET technology new multi-gate or tri-gate structures, also known as thin field effect transistors, have been adopted for the high volume production of CMOS integrated circuits beginning at the 22 nanometer technology generation. FinFET used for ICs, integrated circuits manufacturing using CMOS technology. The present technology belongs to 22 nanometer technology. What are the advantages of FinFET? FinFET devices have significantly faster switching times and high current density than planar CMOS technology. Switching time faster and high current. That is the main advantages of FinFET. Third one is the FinFET. The figure shows the sample of FinFET, how it looks like. Figure 1, figure 2. The term FinFET, P intrinsic and N. P stands for P-type semiconductor, I stands for intrinsic, N stands for N-type semiconductor. FET stands for field effect transistor, indicates the integration of pin-type photodiode and a discrete high-performance transimpedance amplifier stage. So, how the FinFET is manufactured, how its structure looks like. A monolithically integrated planar structure of an indium phosphide INP, indium gallium arsenide optoelectronic circuit consists of a pin photodiode and a heterojunction field effect transistor. FinFET, what do you mean by FinFET? Simply, FinFET integrated receiver formed by the combination of a pin photodiode and a field effect transistor and packaged in a single chip, single IC, like this. FinFET structure looks like the first one corresponds to pin photodiode structure and followed by FET structure. How FET seen a single chip, how FET structure, heterojunction FET structure incorporated, how photodiode structure incorporated. INP stands for indium phosphide N-type, GaAs stands for N-type indium gallium arsenide. P diffusion structure, indium phosphide ferrite substrate. What are the advantages of FinFET? FinFET provides an excellent solution for optical receiver systems that require both high sensitivity and wide dynamic range. What are the applications of FinFET? Applications include telecommunication, line terminating equipment or repeaters and optical sensor systems. The receiver package offers high reliability, long life. Fourth one, CNT FET. What do you mean by CNT? What do you mean by CNT? Stands for carbon nanotube. FET stands for field effect transistor. Refers to a field. CNT FET refers to a field carbon nanotube field effect transistor that utilizes a single carbon nanotube or an array of carbon nanotubes as the channel material instead of bulk silicon in the traditional MOSFET structure. The figure shows the symbol of P-type and N-type CNT FET. This one is the structure of CNT FET. In between drain contact and source contact, the gate contact we have, and the drain contact and source contact are connected by a channel. That channel belongs to carbon nanotube. CNT, carbon nanotube. How the structure of CNT FET? The base bottommost is the silicon substrate, and above that we are having silicon dioxide insulator. Above that the source terminal, the source source substrate may be chromium or AU stands for gold, and the drain similarly either manufactured by using chromium or gold. In between source and drain we are having the carbon nanotube film, CNT film. So how a carbon nanotube looks like this. Structure of carbon nanotube. So what are the advantages of CNT FET? CNT FET based devices offer high mobility for near ballistic transport, high carrier velocity for fast switching, as well as better electrostatic control due to the quasi one-dimensional structure of CNT FETs. High mobility, okay, fast, high carrier velocity, that is the holes and electrons movements are fast, fast switching from on state to off state to on state, better electrostatic control but better controlling the electric field or electrostatic control. What are the applications of CNT FET? CNT FET may be used for manufacturing simple logic gates, operation amplifier, other various digital electronic devices. Last one, dual gate MOSFET. Dual gate MOSFET has two gates compared to ordinary MOSFET. Dual gate MOSFETs are a form of MOSFET with two gates. They can be used to provide additional isolation between drain and gate as shown in figure. Symbols of P channel and N channel, enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET shown in figure. How the structure of dual gate MOSFET like this. From this N substrate, a source terminal is taken. From this N substrate, a drain terminal is taken, and a gate terminal, first gate terminal sandwiched between this N type and this N type, and this one is gate 1, and another gate terminal is taken from this N type and drain in between drain and this N type substrate. This one gate 2. Above that, the rose color indicates metal gates and P type silicon, and the bottommost black color is nothing but silicon dioxide. Different gates control different sections of the channel which are in series with the other. The figure shows the structure of dual gate MOSFET. So what are the advantages of dual gate MOSFET? Due to the presence of second gate, it avoids a feedback capacitance effect, and thereby it acts as a stable amplifier, and it is used in RF mixer circuit and RF amplifier circuit. Okay, that's all about unit number 4, special semiconductor devices. Thank you. Good evening. This is Dr. R. Sundar Kumar winding up